Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the best products on the market. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the best Polygon nail kit, the nail kit set professional acrylic with everything. This all-in-one kit has everything you need to spark your creativity and transform your nails right at home. Let's dive into what makes this kit a must-have for anyone interested in nail art. The nail kit set includes an array of components designed to help both beginners and seasoned nail enthusiasts create stunning nail designs. Inside, you'll find 3 crystal acrylic powders, which are the foundation for your acrylic nails. These powders come in various vibrant shades that allow you to express your unique style. Let's talk about the glitter. This kit features 12 different glitter acrylic powder options, making it super easy to add a touch of sparkle to your nail designs. Whether you prefer a subtle shimmer or a bold glitzy finish, you'll have plenty of choices to customize your look. In addition to the powders, the kit comes with essential tools including 2 acrylic nail tips, a nail clipper, and a nail brush. This means you can start your nail art journey without having to purchase extra tools. Using this kit is straightforward, perfect for beginners. The well-structured acrylic mixture allows for easy application, letting you create beautiful and durable nail extensions. It's designed to both simplify the process and provide professional-looking results. Just imagine the ability to curate different nail styles, right from the comfort of your home. This kit not only empowers you to care for your nails but also makes it possible to express your creativity freely. The nail kit set professional acrylic is not just a set, it's an invitation to explore the world of DIY nail art. It's perfect as a gift for friends or family who are passionate about beauty, or simply as a treat for yourself. With this kit, anyone can transform from a novice to a nail art expert, making it an amazing companion for nail enthusiasts of all levels. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your nail game, this best Polygon nail kit is a fantastic choice. With all the essential tools and supplies included, there's no better way to start creating eye-catching designs. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. And subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Happy nail designing!